Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
One of the most frequently requested features of Instagram over the years has been dark mode, and now it's finally here. Instagram quietly rolled out the feature on both iOS and Android. All you have to do is make sure you download the latest version of Instagram and that your iPhone is running iOS 13 and your Android phone is running Android 10. Dark mode on Instagram respects the system-wide dark mode settings on both operating systems. So the second you switch to dark mode in iOS 13 or Android 10, your Instagram app will also switch to dark mode. There is no way to toggle Instagram's dark mode on and off in the app itself. To enable system-wide dark mode on iOS 13, go to your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here you will see a new light and dark themes option at the top of the screen. Tap on Dark to enable dark mode. Now go to the Instagram app and you can see Instagram app turned into dark mode. You can enable dark mode in another way also. For this, swipe up from the bottom. Now you need to tap and hold the display brightness control option. You should see a new option called dark mode, which is turned off. Tap on it and the dark mode will be enabled. Again go to Instagram. You can see Instagram turned into dark mode. Similarly, if you want to enable dark mode on Android 10, go to your Settings app, then tap Display and then tap the dark theme button. So that is how you can enable dark mode on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.